Say hello. You better get in here. The wind's gonna blow you over. Come here. Jillian. Hurry, quick, come on.
No.
You better come here.
I'm leaving.
You leaving?
Huh?
You leaving me?
Yeah.
You better come here. The wind's gonna get you.
Huh?
The wind's gonna get you. You make mommy cry. Jillian, come here. Come on. You putting the tree back up? Hey, come here.
Little baby teeth.
Come on, let's go back inside.
No.
Yeah, come on. It's the wind's blowing.
No.
Jilly, come here. See, come here.